How to delete your Badoo account. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'll to show you how you can delete your Badoo account. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to delete your Badoo account, it's very simple. You have to go ahead and then first open up your browser, and once you open your browser you just want to go to badoo.com. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box. Go to badoo.com and then make sure that you are signed into your account. After you sign in, obviously you will see this kind of interface, and what you need to do is first you just need to tap on the profile icon from the very bottom right of the screen in order to come to your profile page. Once you come to your profile page, you have to tap on the gear icon which is at the top left hand side of the screen, and once you tap on the gear icon from the top left hand side, what you want to do is right over here you want to actually go to the option called account, and once you go to account over here you'll find all of these options, but you have to simply select the option called delete account which is at the bottom. It'll ask you for multiple type of confirmation as to why you want to go ahead and then delete your account. Just select a specific region and tap on confirm, and you can see your account has been deleted. That's all it takes to delete your Badoo account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.